Hi, I'm Miranda from YouTube, and you're watching my channel. As a kid, I was really inspired by Alex Russo, and I wanted to be a wizard and have magic like her and have a wand like her, and now I'm an adult and I still want that. So I decided for today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make one, because on my channel we use magic to live our lives enchantedly. So we are going to use magic today to make our own little wand, and just so you know, this is decor or like cosplay purposes only. It is not a toy. You cannot like fling it around, it will break. But it is definitely a very cute prop or a decor piece for your room. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Miranda, and we are going to go ahead and get started. This first part is a little complicated, so I vlogged the process for you guys because it involves power tools and such, and I want you guys to be safe and do it correctly. So we're gonna put a hole in the bottom of these wooden sticks, and my dad is helping me because I don't feel comfortable using a drill, and the drill makes a pretty good hole in the bottom. So if you don't feel comfortable using one, get someone to help you, because we've already had a mishap with blood, and so be careful. So we're gonna use like a smaller drill bit to initially start the process, and then we're gonna use a bigger one to make a bigger hole. So the smaller hole makes it easier to get the bigger hole centered, and you want it centered because if you don't have it centered, then it's gonna break off. So I'm gonna film this process for you guys. So next you wanna go to the craft store, and I got this berry red color, a metallic-y orange color, because the wand is kind of metallic-y, but it also has a very maroon red tone to it, and they didn't really have that color, so I decided that I would mix two colors together to get that color. I went ahead and painted the entire thing in the red color because afterwards you can go over that with the black color. So to do the black color, you want to section off about 1.5 inches of the bottom of the wand that doesn't have the hole in it with painter's tape, and then you just paint that bottom section with black paint. Once that has dried, you are going to use your gold wire to make little detailings on the top and bottom of your wand. I went ahead and wrapped the wire around the top of the wand, and that section is shorter than the bottom section. Then I cut it with a wire cutter, pulled it off the wand so it was still in the shape, it just wasn't glued on yet. And then you can go ahead and slide it back on your wand, and you're gonna lift the end portions of the wire up slightly. You're gonna put some super glue on that and then press it back down onto the wood, and you're gonna have to use your finger and hold it there. I would hold it there for a good 2 to 3 minutes to let it dry, and then you continue this process with the bottom of the wand as well. The bottom of the wand is a little bit longer. Let's see, I went around it about 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I used that gold wire to cover the entire black portion of the bottom section. Once that has dried, you're gonna put your little purple gems on the wand, and even though they were stickers, I put super glue on the end just to make sure that it stuck a little bit better. And I just placed those around the wires wherever I thought looked good. I did about 2 on the top and then a lot more, like 5 probably on the bottom, and just distribute them around the wire in whatever way I thought looked best. Last but not least, Alex's wand has a really cute green gem on the top, so we are going to use a green marble to replicate this. So you are just going to put super glue in that little hole area and place the marble on top of that. And then make sure that dries, because if you just start flinging it around before it dries, it's not going to stay on. So give that like a good 5 minutes to dry, and then your wand is ready to go.
Well, you know everything's gonna be a breeze. There will no doubt justify the means. You can fix any problem with the slightest of ease. Yes, please.
If you guys enjoyed this content, please be sure to go down and subscribe. Let me know if there are any other Disney throwbacks that you would like to see. And I love you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you don't believe in magic, you will never get your fairy tale. And yeah, bye. And show you guys that you have self-worth and you're worthy of something. You're not just a person that's supposed to sit down and be quiet and contribute to society at a minimum wage job. You are worth so much more than that.